Hello everyone, I am Daksh and welcome to our Pythonese channel. So, I have a very great news for you all. We are thinking of having a workshop live with you all. Link the description box contains the link for the registration. You may go and check out that. So, today's topic is list. Today we are going to look upon a small introduction, then list our mutable range, empty list, list operators and slices, some methods, deleting methods and functions, some other functions and methods, aliasing, and that much only. Let's have some small introduction to the list. List is just a versatile collection of numerous items. It can be booleans, float, integers, and any value you want to put. We used to take 10 variables for 10 items. Now we can just combine them all in just one. So this is a lazy stuff and good in programming. It helps in shortening the length of your program, which helps in increasing the efficiency of program, and it is also very common in the for loop. You can revise that from our iteration video.
Lists are mutable, which means that they can be edited. Now, let's see the in operator. The in operator reverts in true or false or in the Boolean form. It checks if an object is inside the string or the list, and it tells us whether or not it is. So, true or false. True meaning that it is there in the list, false meaning it is not. There can be three methods that can be used upon list. These are append, extend, and sort. Append and extend are mostly similar. The only difference is that in append, a value is added to the end of the string, while in extend, the value is just extended to include the list. As for sort, we can use it to sort the values in a list in either ascending or descending order or alphabetical order if the list contains strings. We can only use two mathematical operators on a list, which are addition and multiplication. Addition sums all the values in a list and adds them to a different list, while multiplication just multiplies it in the same list. As for slicing, you can slice the list in the same form as you do strings. You can see the code on the screen. The range of a list is 0 to n minus 1. N here refers to the number of values that are there in the list. This is in the normal Python numbering system, which starts from 0. So that is why there is 0, while the last value is n minus 1. As for an empty list is never executed since it has no value. So it reverts as none. You can see the program on the screen.
Now we will learn how to delete an item from a list. Let's see.
Deleting by string slicing. We will take variable n, which is equal to numbers 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, and 105. Delete variable n between 1 to 5. Print variable n. So we'll run this, and the output is 100 and 105. The numbers between 100 and 105 get deleted. Deleting by removing. Variable t equals to Hardik, Muskan and Daksh. T dot remove Muskan. Print variable t. So we will run this, and the output is Hardik and Daksh. Muskan gets removed. There is a new function that sums the whole list and makes the average process easy. We will cover this in the exercise video. Some other methods and functions. List can convert a string to list by list and split. Let's see a few examples. Variable p equals to Python, variable y equals to list variable p, print variable y. We will run it. Word Python comes in a list. Variable n equals to Python hyphen Python hyphen Python, delimiter equals to Python, variable t equals to n dot split delimiter, print variable t. We will run it. The three words get separated. Variable t equals to learn Python with Pythonese. Delimiter equals to space. Variable m equals to delimiter dot join variable t. Print variable m. Now we will run it. The words get joined and it forms a sentence. Learn Python with Pythonese. An object with more than one reference has more than one name. We can say that the object is alias. Variable a equals to 1, 2 and 3. Variable b equals to variable 1. Print variable b. Now we will run it and b equals to 1, 2 and 3. Do subscribe us and follow us on Instagram username Pythonese. We will be conducting a Python workshop. To register, please fill the Google form in the description. Thank you.